Tollgate Primary travels from Clarendon, while Hopewell Preparatory travels from Santa Cruz to face off on the final quest.
Time now for section 1, where both teams will be asked questions alternately with 10 seconds to answer and 1 point for each correct answer. Earlier we had the toss. Hopewell Preparatory won the toss. They decided to play first. So Hopewell, we begin section 1 with you in Bible knowledge. What was the name of Samuel's father?
Elkanah.
That's correct. Tollgate Bible knowledge. What was the name of the priest that raised Samuel? Time's up. Question passes. Hopewell?
Eli. Yes, thank you, Eli.
Yes, thank you. Eli.
Eli is correct. Hopewell, still with you in science. What's the name of the innermost layer of the eye?
The chloride.
Chloride.
That's incorrect. It's the retina. Tollgate science. What's the name of the outermost layer of the eye?
The cornea.
That's incorrect. It's the sclera. Hopewell, English language. Complete the proverb. The love of money is?
The root of all evil.
The root of all evil.
That's correct. Tollgate, English language. Complete the proverb. Many a mickle.
Many.
Question passes. Hopewell?
No, thank you.
Makes a muckle. Hopewell, general knowledge. Which country won the most medals at the 2012 London Olympics?
England.
That's incorrect. It's USA. Tollgate, general knowledge. Which country was second in the medal table at the 2012 London Olympics?
Jamaica.
That's incorrect. It's China. Hopewell, social studies. What's the capital of Puerto Rico?
San Juan.
San Juan.
That's right. Tollgate, social studies. What's the capital of Belize?
Georgetown.
That's incorrect. It's Belmopan. Hopewell, music. To which group of musical instruments does the cello belong?
String.
That's correct. Tollgate, music. To which group of musical instruments does the clarinet belong?
Wind.
Or woodwind. That's correct. Hopewell, mathematics. What's the prime number before 79?
73.
That's correct. Tollgate, mathematics. What's the prime number before 107?
103.
That's correct. Hopewell, Jamaican affairs. Who is Jamaica's minister without portfolio in charge of sport? I'm so sorry. Who is Jamaica's minister of sports?
Olivia Babsy Grange.
Olivia Babsy Grange.
That's correct. Tollgate, Jamaican affairs. Who is Jamaica's minister of information?
Floyd Green.
That's incorrect, or Reed. Hopewell, sports. For which international football club does Wayne Rooney play football?
Manchester United.
Manchester United.
That's correct. Tollgate, sports. For which international football club does Cristiano Ronaldo play football?
Real Madrid.
That's right. Hopewell, science. What's the correct name for the virus known as the flu?
Influenza.
Influenza.
That's right. Tollgate, science. What's the correct name for the disease known as TB?
Typhoid bacteria.
That's incorrect. Correct answer is tuberculosis. And that bell signifies the end of section 1.
Hopewell attempted all 10 questions plus one that was passed. Meanwhile, Tollgate attempted 8 out of their 10. Scoreline reads: Tollgate Primary 3, Hopewell Preparatory 9.